Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic in the chapter business environment, that is political environment. The political environment consists of the political conditions such as general stability, peace in the country and attitude of the government towards the business. It has great impact on the business community. It may be either positive or negative impact upon business. Hence, the businessman must scan consistently and carefully. Means in the other word we can say that political environment means it refer to the political conditions in the country and attitude of the government towards the business. Means towards the business government का क्या attitude है. And the major element of the political environment such as the political stability in the country means the political stability is established in the country so the business can run very successfully. Peace in the country and which create the a healthy environment for the business. Attitude of the government towards the business. If government policies promote the business of the all the sector of the economy can be increases. And type of government means single party government, multiple party government, ideology of various political parties give the impact in on the business environment. Next, the impact of the political environment on business means there are some examples like in 1977 Janta government adopted a strict attitude toward the multinational company. As a result of this attitude, multinational company like IBM, Coca-Cola had to ignore India. The new government encouraged the multinational company for the investment in India. This led to opening of the door of the Indian market for the multinational companies and the Coca-Cola entered Indian market once again. And it was only because of the political interest that Hyderabad came to known as the cyber brand. In other words, it is recognized as the center of information technology and IT companies came into establish there. And last, legal environment. Legal environment consists of all the act passes by the government, judgment of the court and decision taken by the various commissions agency appointed at a center, state or local. This arrangement need to be a control to regulate the various business activities such as sale and purchase, industrial disputes and business communities cannot be ignored. Legal framework has to be a perform transaction within it. It may have either positive or negative impact on business, so businessmen must scan it regularly. Major element of legal environment means the act of legislation passed by the government, the decision taken by various commission and agency, the judgment of the court. So this is the meaning of the legal environment which refer the sum total of all the acts passes by the government, judgment of the court, decision rendered by the various commissions agency in the country. The impact of the legal environment of business is that by removing the control on the capital market, huge amount of capital was collected by the issuing various new issue on the primary markets. And with the introductions of relaxation in the foreign direct investment means FDI, foreign exchange, and many multinational companies entered the India market, there has been a tremendous increase in the foreign exchange reserve in the country. Next, economic environment in India. Economic environment in India include various micro level factors pertaining the means of production and distribution of wealth which are likely to create an impact on the business and industry. They include the stage of economic development of a country. Structure of the economic has been constituted in the form of the mixed economy where both the public and private sector are given due to the weightage. The different economic policy of the government including monitoring the industrial and financial policy, economic planning including 5-year plan, annual budget, economic indices like national income, distribution of income rate, growth of GNP, per capita income, infrastructural factors such as financial institution, bank, mode of transportation, communication facilities, etc. Thank you.